No stranger to you, each and every one. Ladies and gentlemen, I feel that man should just give me a acapella first. And ladies, I'm here the vice first. Give the people an acapella. I can be anything you want me to be for tonight, girl. You and me, we can do whatever we want. Let's get this party started. Tonight I'ma show you what it means to be loved, yeah. I got the rosé, strawberries on deck. I know you know what's coming up next. I'm gonna put it down, down, down on you, on you. You don't know I go already, now it's a boy Camar representing. Yo, pull up before we even go any further. Good night, Happy New Year, everybody. You don't know, you know, Portmore I represent. You see it? That tune, me and Beanie do that tune, I'm begging for come true tonight. And Beanie say I couldn't make it. But I'm gonna sing Beanie part. That one for Portmore, see, so I want to see everybody get up and enjoy themselves. Drop it down fresh and turn it up.
Black
right.
17.
Hey, over here, sir.
Them fin won't say that when they come out and be hey. You know the girls them rate way.
Oh yes, sir.
I mean say Black 17. When we touch the streets, it's how we ever clean. I we say Portmore on the shore, but tell them this year everyone's a winner. I mean say some again, but the year now don't come everybody and have some fun. The girls them out now want a man to come and tie them down. So some boy have to go take them money and the girls them a party. Nobody spoil the fun. Dig up the money, me say girl over gun. I'm all alive and I'm preaching for the girl. But you know me I go hard and why? We up. We party hard, we party hard. Them know say we party hard. When we touch the road, we rave, dance straight from 40 yard. We only get on a party. We only get on a party. When we touch the road, we party hard. You know what? We ain't no white screen with empty benches. Phantom cars, Gucci expensive. Fuck about the girls and everything expensive. None too good to give to the massive. We own this club, no showing grudges. Don't worry about the world and the credit judges. Only pile up and stack in maxes. Smoke some weed and get the man. Hold on. Roll up the party club, and we not stop dancing till the sun come up. Get it up, but you know me a party club. And I get love and especially a party club. Wine, good on come up. Play that one for my ladies now. There's me on the screen now. All of the hot Portmore girls are gonna come on the hottest set of girls, let me know. Yeah, boy, yeah, boy. How many ladies up there? I hear you calling. Here I come, baby, to save you. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Baby, no more stalling. Jesus, I've been longing to touch you, baby. Hold on. Fresh, we know you have it, you know. We know you have it. Because here, one thing we know, Portmore are the most girls in Jamaica. Hottest set of girls, them. Nobody can trick me. I say because Portmore are the most girls, we have the most girls too. Because yes, all of the men them get to go out and test them skills to see if they can win a girl. Because Portmore girl not easy for win. Portmore girl not easy for win. One bag of girl in my skin just a free me, say. Why? So go on with your bag of girl, them and leave me. The girl a friend, but she still a text set as one link passes and then I come check. She start move for me and I get upset. Tell her if it go easy. I don't want girl alone, we know a road. I don't want girl alone, they never hear the road. If you can't only road, they go back home. But then I come back, pull up that. Big man thing. We rate the girls them and we love them, but we don't like when the girls them on case every second. Cause from your rate a girl never tell her the truth. No. You know this or no. But if you understand yourself and know say, yo, when they are road, don't try to embarrass the dads. Cause we are take care of you same way. Yeah. So here, big up to all of the acted girls that wanna run for lick off all the girl face if she move to like she want violate all her man to it. Yeah, we don't play them thing there. Run it fresh. Shall be a girl stay a Portmore. Them need with one bag of girl in our status of free, which is hey. So go on with your bag of girl, them and leave me. The girl a friend, but she still a accept as one limb passes another come check. She start move, but me and I get upset. Tell her if we go easier so the thing said. I don't want girl alone, me know a road. I don't want girl alone in a me here a code. If you care what you want, come back home. But you now come, you should me name a road. So go on home with your drama, I wanna order. You know see someone else on the road, so don't blame me. I'm gonna talk to you now, baby. I know this in a baby, what you want? I told you that you are the one, you don't need to start a fight. I showed you that when we touch the road, you're gonna have some yellow eye. Don't make them get to you, cause I'm not the one, cause I know you are the wife. I don't know wife, you know, Mr. Stark, what's up? Real wife material. She said she not keep friend, cause she will be them for. She love me, but she a shut off in the evening. God no, she love me to the end. Anywhere we go, I just hear problem. Girl, in a sister, you're the devil, send them. Me a beg you just go and forget them. Girl, me know you not self-control, but man, I can't listen to this if you know. I don't want girl alone, we know a road. Big up Portmore, me love you know. Camar, represented. Fresh, don't start karaoke. So now, love you now, good night, yeah? Happy New Year, everybody. Remember the name, Camar, aka Flavor Youth, the real flavor.
Hi viewers, my name is Ian Bennett and I am the host of In the Hot Seat. If you like the video you just saw and would like to see more of the same type of video, please click the subscribe button and the like button as we produce videos every Wednesday. Thank you.